3, 2, 1, cheers!
Oh, from Maggie! Yay!
That's chunky!
I, Dermot,
take you, Alicia,
take you, Alicia,
to be my wife.
to be my wife.
I promise to be faithful
I
to
promise to be faithful to you,
you in good times and in bad,
in good times and in bad,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love you and to honor you
to love you and to honor you
all the days of my life.
all the days of my life.
Alicia, repeat after me. I, Alicia,
I, Alicia,
take you, Dermot,
take you, Dermot,
to be my husband.
be my husband.
I promise to be faithful to you
I promise to be faithful to you
in good times and in bad,
in good times and in bad,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love you and to honor you
to love you and to honor you
all the days of my life.
all the days of my life.
You may kiss your wife.
You'll be hard-pressed to find someone more thoughtful, more caring, and more self-sacrificing than this woman right here. Dermot, bro. We're so lucky to have you join our family. We're glad that despite the challenges of trying to balance cruise life with going home to Sydney, where is that? Carnival, I was going to say. That we've had so much time to spend time with you, and it's just been wonderful to get to know you and watch your relationship unfold. Alicia once told me that as soon as she laid eyes on you, she knew she was in trouble.
It's been a blast, and I honestly cannot wait for what's to come. You guys are just the most special people. You always will be, and it's evident by the turnout today and the place we're in. There's nothing more pressing and more appropriate for what's happening. And on behalf of everyone here, I love you, and just can't wait to party. So without further ado, can I ask everyone to raise a glass? I'd like to propose a toast to Mr. Dermot and Alicia Doyle.